What are they doing? Yeah? So, what was your camping experience like?
Amazing.
Why?
Because I got to stay at camp with horses neighing all night.
And what time did you wake up?
Very early.
Why? They're all pecking you.
Would you like to come in?
No, I'm too scared. Are they attacking you?
No.
Are they killer chickens?
No, they're lovely.
Do you know their names?
That one's Maggie.
Yeah.
And I think one of them, I think that one's Holly, and that's Luna.
Are they going to have their eggs, do you think? Mm-hmm. Do they make eggs every day?
Yeah.
Wow. This is brilliant, isn't it, Woo?
Stop picking. Come on.
You taking them for a walk? Who's Deefa? Right.